Hi there! In this course, we'll focus on the math skills you need for the Officer Aptitude Rating OAR exam. We'll break down each topic into easy to follow steps. With the help of Tutoring, you'll be fully prepared. Let's dive in and get you ready. For more practice and support, download the OAR Tutoring app from App Store or Google Play. It has prediction tests, extra questions, and you can request a one-on-one tutor whenever you need help. Thank you for watching. So the question asks here, x plus 7 equals 12, then x equals what? So if we subtract 7 from both sides, negative 7 and positive 7 cancel each other out. X equals 12 minus 7, 5. And with that, the correct answer is option C. The question asks here, if a baker makes 30 breads per day, how many will they make in a week? So we know in 1 week there are 7 days. So in 1 day the baker makes 30 breads. So in 7 days the baker will make 30 times 7. 7 times 0 gives us 0. And 7 times 3 gives us 21. And with that, the correct answer is option C. The question asks here, 7.32 times 10 to the 4th power equals what? So let's simplify 10 to the 4th power. So that gives us 4 zeros after 1. So that's 10,000. And if you multiply 7.32 with 10,000, then you move the decimal from 4 places to the right. So that gives us 732. The decimal was here. So 3, 2, 0 and 0. So that gives us 73200. So the correct answer is option B. This is one of the easiest questions you might see on your Navy Officer Candidate Test OAR. The question asks here, a pack of 8 bottles of juice costs $6.40. What is the cost of one bottle? So first you can convert the dollar into cents. So we multiply 6.40 with 100. So the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. So that gives us 640. Now a pack of 8 bottles of juice costs $6.40. So we divide 640 with 8. So 8 8s are 64. We have a remainder of 0. We bring this 0 here. 8 zeros are 0. So the correct answer is option C, 80 cents. Make sure that you practice this type of problems again and again. This is one of the easiest and simplest question you might see on the OAR Math Skills test. The question asks here, how long will it take to travel 360 miles at 45 miles per hour? To solve this, we use the formula time equals distance divided by speed. The distance is 360 miles and the speed is 45 miles per hour. So we divide 360 by 45. Now let us check the options. So in option A, it is given 6 hours. So 45 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. We have 3 as carry. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. So it is not the answer. Now in option B, 7 hours is given. So 45 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. We have 3 as carry. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 3 gives us 31. So it is also not the answer. So in option C, we have 8 hours. So 45 times 8 is 8 times 5 is 40. We have 4 as carry. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 gives us 36. And with that, the correct answer is option C. Find the value of y if y equals 2x minus 6 and x equals negative 3. So you just plug in the value of x in the equation. So that's y equals 2 times negative 3 minus 6. So 2 times negative 3 gives us negative 6, and negative 6 minus 6 equals negative 12. So the correct answer is option A. The question says, in how many ways can 5 helicopters be arranged if they fly side by side? So in order to find the number of arrangements of 5 helicopters if they fly side by side, we can use factorial, that is n factorial. Here, n is equal to 5. So 5 factorial equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 20 times 3 is 60, and 60 times 2 equals to 120. So 120 times 1 is 120. So the correct answer is option C. So the question says, factor x squared minus 9. So in order to factor this expression, we can use the formula of difference of squares. That is, a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. So here x squared can be taken as a squared, and 9 can be taken as 3 squared, which is b squared. So x squared minus 9 equals to x squared minus 3 squared, which then equals to x minus 3 times x plus 3. So the correct answer is option C. This is one of the easiest questions you might see on your Navy Officer Candidate Test OAR exam. So the question asks here, which one of the following equals a negative number? So let us check the options. Negative 3 plus 7 is basically 7 minus 3, which gives us 4, which is positive. Negative 8 plus 2. So 2 minus 8 gives us negative 6. So we have found our answer, which is negative 6. And with that, the correct answer is option B. The question asks here, simplify 240 divided by parenthesis 4 plus 8 divided by 2 parenthesis. For this, we have to remember the rule of PEMDAS, which is parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we have to do this in this order. So first we do the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we do the division. So that's 240 divided by parenthesis 4 plus 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Again, we do inside the parenthesis, so that's 240 divided by 4 plus 4 gives us 8. Now, if we divide 240 by 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and we put the 0 here, and 8 times 0 is 0. And with that, the correct answer is option C. So make sure that you practice problems like this for your actual test. And if you want more practice problems, then you can also download the OAR Tutoring app from App Store or Google Play. Thank you for watching.